I am Dywee Clemente. It's an everyday battle that confronts all of us, regardless of who we are and where we are from. As a Mmdcomc 2021 spokesperson, I have always lived up to my faith in humanity, cultural and understanding, and respect for others. These are what I will continue to stand for. I become your next Mmdcomc 2021. I will be a channel of hope, compassion, and unity to stand, inform, and stop any form of violence and war in this world. This COVID-19 pandemic has brought despair, destruction, and death. Today, our world war has changed from armed conflicts to war on hunger for better healthcare system, racism, and education. And at this point, safe spaces are confidential spaces where student athletes, or like let's say in one community, shall choose people can express their concerns or frustrations related to issues impacting marginalized people. Designated safe spaces must be available to all student athletes and not just those that identify within underrepresented or marginalized community. Those that are feeling distressed or triggered by current events or observation are also welcome to seek support. Such things like this can be an advocacy. Now, if the question arises like how to implement or how will it work, well, student athletes who connect with a safe space designee from the group or department she can tap, they can expect to be heard and to receive appropriate resources. When applicable, well, she can research so she have the information directly to hear and won't be just relied to her. It is indeed a great honor and privilege to be a part of these intramurals. One thing that I am sure of is that I am standing here with a purpose. A purpose is to uplift and encourage every student to continue their dreams amidst pandemic, to light up their minds and hearts in creating a simplest yet timely and relevant advocacy. Advocacy that will be imparted to my co-students.
Dywee Clemente, Bachelor of Elementary Education, representing Freshmen